Hi folks, John Mark here with Catalyst Connect. I wanted to take this opportunity to review our approach to a Zoho One implementation. What you see in front of you is our client portal. This is our tool that we've developed to help us get up to speed and understand your organization's workflows, your objectives, and your pain points as you look to implement the Zoho product suite. When you log in for the first time, what we will have you do is come here to the Profile tab and click on this Intake section. What we've done is put together a series of questions here that will help us get up to speed and also prompt you to think about some of the workflows that we'll be addressing during the Zoho One implementation. These questions range from high-level mission statements to your revenue model, your current pain points, by department, as well as the personnel and stakeholders that are going to be involved in using the system. We'll then head into your marketing strategy, both strategic and tactical plans, and how you're currently utilizing technologies today to support your marketing initiatives. We'll then segue into your sales processes, procedures, how you handle your pipeline development all the way through generating proposals and electronic signatures, and then how your sales department hands over deals to your operations team, where accounting gets involved, and how you're going to support these customers on an ongoing basis. We've made this very easy by being able to deploy best practice answers to some of these questions by industry, so we can help give you a framework of how to approach some of these questions within the Zoho product suite. And then if you need to create some custom responses, you can either type your answers or respond to them verbally, and our software will transcribe it for our intake profile. Once we've got that initial intake complete, what we will do is meet with each department to really understand in more detail what each department is looking to achieve from the implementation of Zoho One. And we'll begin to define what modules and fields are necessary within the CRM, what other Zoho products may be pertinent to your use case, and we'll start to flush out all of your workflows, from the emails that are going to be sent out to the specific automation that we need to create in the CRM, and custom functions or API calls that need to be written to interact with other apps as well. So we have a great framework for addressing a number of the most popular Zoho applications, and then when we get into a lot of the supporting applications, we will see how those tie into some of our main workflows over here. When we kick off the project, what we're going to do is base our implementation on your actual workflow and ER diagrams. And once we've done those initial stakeholder interviews, we're going to develop workflow diagrams and ER diagrams that are going to show you how your processes and procedures will fit into the Zoho landscape. This will be both at the technical level as well as more of the strategic level to understand which departments are going to be working in certain Zoho applications and how your business workflows are going to be mapped into the software itself. Another thing that we are going to do during the initial discussion is get a comprehensive understanding of user access to the system and addressing security. The security of Zoho One is going to be paramount, since we're going to have a lot of your client and workflow data stored within the Zoho ecosystem. So we'll take this time to really understand who's going to be accessing the system and designing our profiles and role permissions to fit your use case. Discovery, we will also ask you to upload any supporting documentation that you may have on your organization, whether it be organizational charts, any existing workflow diagrams you may have, or proposals, contracts that you need automated, etc., to the document upload section. And then what we will do is develop a project plan to how best utilize Zoho One for your organization. That will then kick off a project, which you will be able to track here through the Project Management tab. We may have one or multiple projects going on at the same time, depending on whether we're addressing your web needs as well as your Zoho needs. Within a project, we will be able to drill down to the work order level, and you'll be able to see exactly what work we are conducting within your applications, what stage it's at. You'll be able to drill down and see the description of the work being completed and what the progress is. If you come up with other ideas or after the initial implementation you want to brainstorm additional functionality that you may want to roll out, we've developed a planning section where you'll be able to put in your ideas or your feature requests for how you would like to add to the system or additional Zoho applications that you would like to deploy next. And during the discovery phase, when we are determining what resources or what materials we need from you, we will build those in the client deliverables section. This will show all of the action items that we need you to take so that we can work very cohesively as a team, as both of us will have deliverables that will be dependent on each other. So this is how we'll be able to track those and keep the project moving forward smoothly. We will also make sure that we record all of our meetings together. So any kind of training sessions or strategic development sessions that we have will be recorded and uploaded here to the Our Meetings section. This will allow other team members who can't join all the calls to go back and review some of those trainings or the discussions that we've had. And then we also have a comprehensive library of how-to videos to do the basic navigation and operation of the Zoho ecosystem. When it comes to managing billing and subscriptions, you'll be able to track your retainer balances and any invoices that have been generated on your account. You'll also be able to manage your subscriptions through this portal as well. We offer everything from hosting to text messaging, automation and apps to our client portals, and then ongoing search engine optimization services as well. And at the end of the day, we are really looking forward to being an extension of your firm as a strategic development partner. We have years of experience in implementing these systems and look forward to working closely with you to help guide you as the best way to set up and deploy Zoho for your use case. I look forward to having an in-depth discovery call with your firm to understand what your objectives are and get rolling with your project. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.